Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The POCO X7 series is set to launch on January 9th, and over the past week, POCO has shared various details about the brand's first device of the year. Now, POCO has shared new information about it, such as screen specifications, camera sensors, and more. So, what should you know about it? The POCO X7 5G will feature a 50MP main camera with a Sony LYK600 sensor and OIS optical image stabilization, while for durability, it has an IP69 waterproof and dustproof rating, so there's no need to worry if it falls into the water. Even with a wet screen, it has a Wet Touch Display 2.0 function that can still read touch inputs from fingers. Its screen specifications, which are a 1.5K 3D AMOLED screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, 3000 nits peak brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and Dolby Vision and HDR10+ content support. Flipkart also provides further details on the POCO X7 Pro 5G's camera, which includes an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 20MP front camera. Moreover, other specifications confirmed last week include MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra, POCO X7 Pro, Dimensity 7300 Ultra, POCO X7, chipsets and a 6500 mAh battery. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.